Yeah, maybe I'll play that. But first I'm going to play a cover song. It's by a guy called Richard Thompson. He's like a well-renowned British folk guy, if you don't know who he is. He's an amazing guitar player, which I'm not, and a really great songwriter, which I'm not either, but I'm trying. So good, I'm gonna break somebody's heart tonight. Feels so good, I'm gonna take someone apart tonight. Put me in jail for my deviant ways. 2 years, 7 months, 16 days. Now I'm on the street in a purple haze, and I feel so good. I feel so good. Feel so good, I'm gonna break somebody's heart tonight. So good, I'm gonna make somebody's day tonight. Feels so good, I'm gonna make somebody pay tonight. I'm old enough to sin, but I'm too young to vote. Society's been hanging on the heels of my coat. I got a suitcase full of 50-pound notes and a half-naked woman with her tongue down my throat.